A young man went abroad to work for many years. When he returned home, he wanted to surprise his wife. He entered his house quietly and went to his wife's room. There, he saw a young man sleeping next to his wife. He became angry and wanted to attack them, but then he remembered 3 wise sayings he had bought on his journey. The first saying was, "Sometimes what we see with our eyes is not the truth." The second saying was, "Before taking any big step in your life, think for some time with a calm mind." The third saying was, "Never take any decision in your life when you are angry." Remembering these sayings, the man calmed down. He realized he hadn't seen the whole picture. His wife woke up and was overjoyed to see him. She told the young man to get up because his father had come home. The young man was the merchant's son, born after he had left. The merchant was relieved and hugged his wife and son. He realized how valuable the 3 sayings were. They helped him avoid a big mistake. This story teaches us 3 important lessons. 1. Don't jump to conclusions. Just because something looks a certain way doesn't mean it's true. Take time to understand the situation. 2. Think before you act. Especially when making big decisions, take a moment to calm down and consider the consequences. 3. Don't make decisions when you're angry. Anger can cloud your judgment and lead to bad choices. These lessons can help us avoid problems and live a more peaceful life.